Have you ever felt like saving money means giving up all the fun in life? Like you can either enjoy your day or grow your savings, but never both at the same time. It feels like a choice between happiness and financial peace, and that can feel heavy, confusing, even unfair. But what if I told you that saving money and being happy can go together? What if saving didn't mean cutting joy, but choosing smarter joy? Many people think saving means living like you're poor, saying no to everything, missing out on life. But that's not true. The real truth is, most of the things we spend money on don't even make us truly happy. We buy things to impress people, to escape boredom, to fill a small empty space inside, but that happiness fades fast. The new phone becomes old. The expensive coffee becomes normal. The clothes sit in the closet, and we are left with an empty wallet and a tired heart. The real question is, can we save money and still smile? Can we grow our bank account without shrinking our joy? And the answer is yes, you can. It starts with understanding what really brings happiness. Studies say, after a certain point, more money doesn't mean more happiness. What truly brings joy is peace, purpose, connection, and control. And guess what? Saving gives you that. Saving gives you peace because you know you're ready for emergencies. Saving gives you purpose because you're working toward your goals. Saving gives you control because you are not stuck in fear or debt. Saving gives you joy because you are building something. But to save money without losing your smile, you have to be smart. You have to spend on what matters and skip what doesn't. First, know your values. Ask yourself what makes you truly happy. Is it time with family? Is it health? Is it freedom? Now, spend on those. Save on everything else. If eating out brings you real joy, go for it. But maybe cancel a few apps you don't use. If travel lifts your soul, save money daily for that trip, but skip buying things that only impress others. It's not about no spending, it's about better spending. Second, use the 24-hour rule. When you want to buy something, wait one day if you still want it tomorrow, and it fits your budget and brings real value. Buy it, but you'll be surprised how many things you won't want anymore after a day. This small trick saves money and regret. Third, create joy without spending. Happiness is not in the price tag. Walks in nature are free. Talking with friends is free. Gratitude is free. Reading, laughing, sleeping well, dancing to your favorite song, all free. Build a habit of enjoying simple moments. You will feel richer without spending more. Fourth, reward yourself wisely. Don't try to cut everything at once. That creates stress. Instead, save smart and still give yourself treats. Maybe a cheap coffee every Friday or one fun movie night at home with friends. Celebrate your savings with joy, not guilt. Fifth, track your money. When you know where it goes, you see the truth. Maybe you're spending too much on snacks or unused subscriptions. Knowing this gives you power. You can adjust and still smile. Saving is not about being perfect. It's about being honest. Sixth, set clear goals. Saving for a dream is exciting. It gives energy. Saving without purpose feels like punishment. So write down your dreams. A trip, a gift for your parents, a new skill, a debt-free life. Look at this goal daily. Let it guide your choices. It will make saving feel joyful, not painful. Seventh, avoid comparing. Don't look at others' lives on social media and feel sad. People show the best, not the real. You don't need to copy their spending. Your journey is yours. Focus on what you need, not what others show. Peace is not bought, it's built. 8th, use the envelope method. Take out cash for food, travel and fun, and put them in envelopes. Once the envelope is empty, stop spending. This method is simple but powerful. It helps you control spending without stress. 9th, make saving automatic. If you earn money, send a part to a savings account right away. Even if it's small, when you don't see it, you won't miss it. Saving becomes easy, quiet, and steady. 10th, talk about money. Don't feel shy or afraid. Share with trusted people. Ask how they save. Learn from each other. Support each other. Money becomes less scary when we stop hiding from it. These small steps help you save without sadness. They help you grow your money and your joy at the same time. Remember, you don't need to suffer to be smart. You don't need to give up your smile to build your future. You just need to spend with heart, save with purpose, and live with balance. Life is not about having everything. It's about loving what you have and growing wisely. Every time you say no to a useless thing, you say yes to your future. Every time you save, you are saying, I believe in tomorrow, and that belief brings deep, honest happiness. The life lesson here is this: happiness is not in more spending, it is in better choices. And the moral is, you don't need to be rich to feel rich, you need to be wise. So if this message gave you hope, if it opened your heart or your mind, please like this video, share your favorite saving tip in the comments, and subscribe to How to Grow, because we are not just saving money. We are building peace, purpose, and power together. Join the family where growth is simple, real, and full of life. One step, one rupee, one smile at a time. Only on How to Grow.